Hello everyone, welcome back. In this demonstration, we are going to look about identity deletion by using PowerShell script. In previous presentation, I explained which SailPoint APIs we are using as part of the script to delete identities from SailPoint. Also, how to schedule a script in IQ Service Server by using Windows Task Scheduler. Before going to script, let us check the source which we are using as a truth source in SailPoint tenant. Also, check different lifecycle state are present as part of this source and how to develop a search query to identify particular lifecycle state identities for deletion. For this, first we can log in into SailPoint IdentityNow tenant. Let's move to tenant. This is the ENH iSecure SailPoint IdentityNow partner instance. Here I am logging with my ID. Make sure user having the admin access. To see source, we can click on the admin. In connections, go to sources. Here I am maintaining Oracle Fusion HCM as a truth source. This is the NLM truth source I am using for the demonstration. For this source also we are maintaining identity profile to identify different lifecycle state users. So we can check identity profile for the lifecycle state. For this we can go to identities in identity profile. In identity profile, here Oracle Fusion HCM is a identity profile for this source. In provisioning section, we can see different lifecycle state having how many identities are there. We can see in active lifecycle state, total 8 identities are there. Also, in 30 days post termination lifecycle state having 3 identity. Also, we can see that active, inactive and pre-hire having the 0 identities. As part of this lifecycle state, we are maintaining terminated users and the user who left the organization in 30 days post termination lifecycle state. So, we are deleting those identity in 30 days post termination lifecycle state by using PowerShell script. To get all these identity, first we need to develop search query. For this, we can go to search. Here, we can develop a search query. This is the search query for this. Here we can see that there are total 3 identities are present as part of this 30 days post termination lifecycle state. So as part of the demonstration, I will only deleted one identity from the tenant having display name as IS100116. According to the requirement, I will modify this search query. If we need to delete all identities in 30 days post termination, we can use same search query as part of the search. Here, but I delete only one identity as part of the demonstration. So I am modified this search query so that only we can delete one identity from SailPoint. This is the search query for this one user. It will identify particular source and the lifecycle state. But here I am using UID for identify this user so that it will be uniquely deleted one user from this particular source. Here we can see that only one identity it will be populated. This search query I am using in our property file so that it will be read from the property file this search query and deleted this identity from the SailPoint tenant. Before deleting this ID, we will also check in identity list whether that ID it will be populated or not. Let me check this ID. It will be come here. We can see that in identity list this user ID it will be populated. Once that ID will be deleted from SailPoint, it will be not populated in identity list. Also, I explain in presentation how to schedule PowerShell script in Windows Task Scheduler. I showcase you I already schedule the script in Task Scheduler. Here we can see that identity deletion test. When all the required criteria it match, the script will be executed. This will be explained in presentation. But for the demonstration, I am only executing PowerShell script by manually. In Windows PowerShell, I already opened our script. Now I am executing the script. After manually executing the script, the identity will be deleted from the SailPoint. Now we can refresh the page from the SailPoint tenant. We can see that in identity list that ID will be not be populated. It means the identity is deleted from the SailPoint. Also, we can see in search the previous same search query in search tab. Here also this ID is not populated. It means that identity is deleted from the SailPoint tenant. Like this, we are deleting all identities present in particular lifecycle state as per the client requirement. Thank you.